In this video, I will be showing you how to build and deploy a Base44 super agent to handle your automated research. Let's get started. I'll begin on the main dashboard and navigate over to the Super Agents tab at the top of the screen. I'm going to select my project to continue our progress and open up the agent interface. As the workspace loads, keep in mind that super agents are versatile assistants that can be customized with specific skills for almost any task. Now that the chat is ready, I'm going to give the agent a clear instruction. In the prompt bar, I'll type, "Create an AI research agent that finds the latest news about AI apps and summarizes them into a short report." Once I hit enter, the agent begins its thinking process. It's not just searching, it's actually architecting a workflow to find the most relevant data. You'll see it identify a specific skill it needs, in this case, the OpenAI documentation tool. I'll click Install to authorize the agent to use this skill immediately. Now the agent executes the research by scanning for the most recent industry breakthroughs. It's looking through various sources to find the biggest stories from the past week to ensure the report is as current as possible. In just a few moments, the agent delivers a comprehensive research report. It has summarized key updates such as Google's Gemini integration for Android, Figma's new AI design suite, and Anthropic's legal-focused Claude model. This research provides a high-level overview of the current industry shift toward action-taking AI agents. To make things even easier, the agent offers to turn this into a weekly automated report sent directly to me. This allows me to stay ahead of the curve with zero manual effort, perfectly showcasing the power of a Base44 super agent. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.